Mabuhay Philippines! Samahan nyo ako itry itong bagong product ko from Skin by BYS. Ito ay Glow Line. It has new Clear Purify Complex, a plant-based blend na nakaka-help para mas brighten and smooth ang skin natin. Ayan, kita nyo naman ang instant refresh from deep within. Next naman is Glow Face Cream. May squalane and ceramide anti siya, kaya super hydrating and calming. Perfect sa mga days na sensitive ang skin ko. Para kumpletuhin ang aking daily routine, meron tayong sunblock from Skin by BYS. Sobrang lightweight, walang white cast, walang lagkit at hindi nakakairita. Daily use talaga kahit mabilis lang ako mag-ayos. And we're done. Ganun kabilis and ka-easy. And what I love the most, mas smooth, mas glowing, mas healthy para ready lagi for the day. Kaya naman, everyday essentials ko na to. By the way guys, meron silang buy one take one promo on November 21 to November 23. Kaya naman, bili na kayo!